Light work, no reaction. Ooh. Okay, it's got a little kick. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's got a little one. Okay.
Why does bro talk in burst mode? Bro, I do not talk in burst mode. You have a fully reloaded shotgun, but you chose to use a 1-bullet pistol. You are not James Bond. Shut the fuck up. Okay, you are James Bond. Milk my titties. No! 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 There's no way. I just lost, bro. Like, what the hell did I just watch? Oh my god. I lost. Wait, what the fuck? What?